Another very hot day expected across Acadiana. In fact, we may at the very least tie a record, if not break a record, later this afternoon, as the forecast is calling for highs near 100 degrees. That is the record here in Lafayette, but the record highs are only in the upper 90s in Lake Charles, Alexandria, Beaumont, and New Iberia, so records could be falling in those areas. Also, as we complete the first week of hurricane season, we're starting to watch a disturbance that's down near Jamaica. Now, most of the Atlantic and the Gulf of Mexico nice and clear, and generally the areas that we tend to watch are the lower part of the Caribbean, western part of the Caribbean, and the Bay of Campeche during the early part of the hurricane season. Now, we do have a flare-up there near Kingston, near Jamaica, and that will continue to drift very slowly off toward the north. Right now, conditions aren't real favorable for development, but it may have a chance over the next 24, maybe 36 hours. Then it's going to be drifting into an area that won't be quite as conducive for development, mainly over land, and some high-level winds will probably tear the system apart. But if we get any formation, there's about a 4 in 10 chance that we'll see something coming out of this particular disturbance in the next 2 days. Meanwhile, ridge of high pressure remains in control, very high humidities, and a lot of heat across Acadiana. We also saw a few widely scattered showers and thunderstorms develop with the daytime heating yesterday afternoon, and we could see some of that coming up later on today as well. Even some of those thunderstorms becoming severe over portions of Acadia and Vermilion Parish around midnight last night. Right now things are pretty stable, but with the daytime heating, a few scattered showers or thunderstorms are possible later this afternoon. But it does look like our temperatures may approach the 100-degree mark before some of these scattered storms pop up. And then most of the thunderstorms will wind down by midnight tonight. Tomorrow we'll start out with sunshine with temps in the 70s, climb into the 90s once again. And again, we could see a chance for an isolated shower or thunderstorm. There could be many areas pushing into the upper 90s, and a few locations may even touch that 100-degree mark. Today we'll go with very hot conditions, mostly sunny early with a chance for thunderstorms later this afternoon. 100 the afternoon high, 75 with a chance for a storm during the evening, then clearing. Tomorrow, hot, humid, a 30% chance for an afternoon storm with a high back to 96, and we'll stay in the mid-90s at least through the middle part of the week, dropping off the rain chances somewhat by the weekend, but remaining above normal on our temperatures with highs in the 90s and lows in the 70s, and the heat index could be as high as 105 degrees. So the heat wave will continue across Acadiana for the next several days, and of course we'll keep an eye on that disturbance down near Jamaica over the next 2 or 3 days. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker in the Storm Team 3 Weather Lab. Thanks for visiting KATC.com.